A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. So, whether this is the first reading you watch or you watch all of them from day one, I want to share something with you. We're on a mission. My prayer is that everybody in the world who either speak the Jamaican language or just understand it but can't speak it, or simply appreciate the Jamaican language, for hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language through the Jamaican Bible. So, may I invite you to join me on the mission here. Click the like button, answer the question we may go ask in the comments below, and share this video with all of your friends them. Yeah? All right. Please and thanks. Me have one question for you now. You treat everybody same way, or you treat some people better than some other people? Think about it. Today, I'm going to read from the letter from James, chapter 2, from verse 1 to verse 13. My brother and sister, since uno say uno trust in the powerful Lord Jesus Christ, uno can't treat some people better than some. If somebody in a bossy clothes and one gold ring come on a church, and one poor somebody we have an old clothes come into, and uno treat the one in a fancy clothes special and tell him say, sit down at a nice seat here, but tell the poor one say, you stand up over there so, or sit down here so on the floor on my foot. If uno do that, no partial, that show say uno take side and a judge people wrong. My brother and sister, hear what me I say. Now God pick the poor people in the world for bless them, cause them believe in him. Him pick them for take part in his kingdom, when promise to give all who love him. But uno shame poor people. Tell me something. No, I see them rich people them a pressure uno and a drag uno go a courthouse. Not them same one a chat all sort of terrible sitting, but the one where we belong to good name. A good sitting. If we don't follow the law, we higher than any other law. And we write down in a God word, say, uno fe love uno neighbor, same like how uno love uno self. But if uno treat some people better than some, I seen that uno have broke the law. Cause even if uno keep all of the law them, and uncle broke one, uno broke the whole of them same way. Cause the same one we tell we say, no sleep with somebody we are not your wife or your husband. Tell we say, no murder. So even if we not sleep with somebody we are not your wife or we husband, but we murder somebody, we broke the law same way. We must talk and go on like people where the law are go judge. And at the said law are go set we free. Cause people when no pardon nobody now go get no pardon pan judgment day. If you no pardon people, Una will get free from judgment. And God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.